The Sweet Little Witch. Witches are wicked, but Mia was a kind little witch. Mia did not know how to put her goodness in her spells. So, all her spells were a complete failure. One day, Mia heard the old witches planning to convert the mountain into a volcano. It would destroy the small town nearby. Mia went to the townspeople to warn them. But they did not believe her and chased her out of the town. The little witch ran off and sat outside the town. A group of kids came to her and asked for candies. But she did not have any. The children went away. She set off to her cave. On the way, she saw that the mountain had turned into a volcano. Mia tried her level best to save the townspeople. Lots of magic words came to her head. She uttered them. Lo and behold, the volcano started throwing thousands of candies onto the town. That was how Mia learned to do good, by doing good to others. The townspeople understood that it was Mia's magic and became her friend. Now, Mia was called the Sweet Little Witch. Moral of the story: do good to others and it will come back to you.